Hi, Andre Niemand here with a short Commission Experts review, a product to be released by Omar and Melinda Martin and Tom Beal on Tuesday 27th of August at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and the launch will end on the 1st of September at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. The product consists basically of two things: the video recordings and PDF notes of the 2018 Commission Expo Event. There are 16 presentations with over 200 pages of notes, and you're about to get unrestricted access to all the event recordings and expert notes and very much more. Okay, so basically for this product, I've created additional bonuses to supplement this product because I've just went through another reviewer that gave this product a 2 out of 10 rating. The reasons being not being able to make money with it in a short period of time, then still to have the money to be invested in the domain, hosting and autoresponder, and then to gain the skill set to set everything up. Really, I fully agree with this reviewer, with his opinions, but coming from a different point of view, if you want to require any business, whether it's offline or online, you still got to invest money, time, and skill set. You will not escape that. And this product is basically a building block for your online business in the future. And to cover these flaws, I've set up this bonus package to cover these flaws, basically giving you access to a free page builder, a free autoresponder, a plugin that will give you instant access to content and authority in any niche, 258 pre-written emails that is proven to make money, more than $250,000, and furthermore also access to a bonus tutorial to show you how to set up a WordPress site from scratch. And on top of that, give you access to 3 other membership sites that will learn you how to use different mediums to gain traffic, how to launch your own products online, and basically to get the right mindset. So by clicking on the link below this video, on the description link, you will get access to this bonus page and my full video review. So thank you again for looking and watching this video. I hope you will find this helpful.